So, in Bank of India, we have different categories, customer we can categorize into different categories. So, I think our focus today, the audience or the customers in the metros and urban areas, they are I think quite tech savvy and tech ready. The ones in semi-urban and rural areas, that is where our concentration goes. So, for the top and the creamy layer, we have got quite a number of products, including a upcoming super app platform layer banking we are going to provide. For the audience at the rural level, we have got quite a few products. I think we are the only bank which has provided UPI 123, where using a CDMA feature phone, a customer can execute a UPI transactions. I think the rural area, this is what customers need to adopt, because the phone penetration of smartphones is quite low there. The mid segment which is there, for them we have got the lighter version of our apps, where from the comfort of their offices and homes they can transact with lower bandwidth. So, I think we are trying to offer to all the three sections the digital products in the best possible manner, which is present, which is in present day what technology is offering. The rural audience today, they want assisted banking. I think they are new to digital. So, the adoption level starts from the business correspondent which is there in the villages. So, the business correspondent today, he is hand-holding the customers and showing them how to do a digital transaction. I think they are the ones who will take them to the next stage. In Uttar Pradesh rural areas, women BCs are doing a great job when they are going and meeting the women in the households, and they are onboarding them into the financial inclusion program. Thereafter, I think they are also teaching them to do their transactions on their own, many of small transactions. So, the adoption I think will be driven by these people who avail assisted banking. Even the branches which are there in these areas, they are also helping the customers adopt our digital products. We are also offering them in vernacular languages, so it is easy for them to understand. We have got our own app in 12 Indian languages, and of course, lot of things we are doing on voice based solutions. Today, in the entire digital landscape, I think whatever transaction you go through, I think a part of it has to be exchange of money, whether it is goods or services. At the end of the day, any digital initiative which you take, there has to be a payment part to it. So, banks I think are the flag bearers who can put their solution in all the interfaces customer is having, whether starting from travel. So, if you are buying a ticket, a bus ticket also, there is a transaction between the bus company and the commuter. So, whether it is as I said in traveling, whether you are going to buy your groceries, whether you are taking some services and you have to pay for the services, each place where we are going digital, I think if the transaction, if the solution goes through a digital transaction, I think that is where all the banks can come in a big way and provide their interfaces for any transaction which they do.